me wa be fire John Mama gidi pa. Say Sammy Jamfi asisa isika akoma kronfo a osi ohun nothing wrong with that. We Jimmy Chen odwan kura ni nyansa chen no. John Mama o che odwan kura ni nyansa chen no. Mu nyina mu guga na wo mu nim say Sammy Jamfi iye nyanto aba ma no 1 million kura wantimi ameche bi da. John Mama we Jimmy pa woni twa asere ko se anadwu boja wo ye kwasia.
Abusia say na do headquarters the Omade Twin Jonas akoduru nanim ama ono so the verdict aba. Also Mama Hama up to Tuesday Sammy Jamfi on sakino enye say ohun niye eno ambro bi am tro say Mahama ebe kasa we tro Sammy Jamfi de onyi nadi na ye onyi nadi no Twin Jonas aba react to that I will just say Mahama pa de Mama pa de nyansa pa de abutan say what you as aka no meeting fanu mroso na in this video no na mo ahwe asem series tie any Twin Jonas na reaction after some Mahama Rebecca say or the Sammy Jamfi born ache no I penya block media message say dey mo over like video no that one subscribe button click notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section na zo ba so a na she video mo from so enya bi ahwe e Sammy Jamfi nyan say nyina ya we obi kro be wi say na say Sammy Jamfi onye boni bia efri say institution record so msikaira state fund bia enyira ye e true but Mahama launched the code of conduct not long ago. Code of conduct no state wo mu say the appointees whether ministerial or non-ministerial appointee, he doesn't expect you to exhibit lifestyle of opulence and ostentation. What I said, that is, you must eschew opulence and ostentation. Opulence means akasisem o trese o sika. O disika tom prada u pia o bo sika tuo. What I said, that's such a lifestyle. Number no 255 series. Yes, that is lifestyle of opulence. What I said, lifestyle of opulence. Which is sika is all money buso. It is something Jamfi no. Or chese o sika every say. Obi srene Ghana ha ye bitna Ghana has srene sika kra. Wakai dollars. O sika buso just say na oni series. Odi dollars. Ne car crowd demo 4 months in office. Oki Range Rover J12 autobiography fully spec. Anybody now $135,000 plus. Ye car kuma. 80 way am right say wo busro. And Rebecca Mahama ewo position 2024 or can say your president here you must be strong enough SSL you know appointee tumra obetima chena so enye say wo fail.
A difficult decision of dealing with your own people when they go wrong, it is what makes you pass the test of the fight against corruption, and we're going to hold our people accountable.
And then go be a transcend Mahama will live by his words, but Mahama lived to the opposite. Next month can any the oil no a opposite or buy or because no Sammy Jamfi patch or it no. Our chop pie na ye or the bonny channel. Sammy Jamfi should go and say no more. The meaning say Mahama be kwana to me. What I say ni appointee bia no udin gwa say udin gwa asem bia ofum you just come out render apology. That's it. Ubo minor chrono just come out render public apology. It will be accepted. Automatically it will be accepted. Bahukudi. Enu na twenya si David Bahama David we asam no nya adwo. Ade Sammy Jamfi sisadapa de the same thing. Sisadapa or institution bia record um sika ida. Ono na abo de bra eno so ni sika wa kwose sa bede dollars or di gu ho. Dollar kosoro anu akoton nya mfaso. Ye copy so ye si da bia TV da. Ema ye horo no ye eba ye ekufori sisadapa di. Ekufori nedi. It added Sammy Jamfi the abade. Now more was innocent, and then the children, in fact, what just say Mahama, Nyansa say, Kitikitu Nibi, Kufa in Nyansa 1,000 times.
I was young for me to quack business meeting, you baby on. I feel na make up, but me free a brochure grassy. I could see the grassy on F, me city, baby. But more do I see to me, but more on my shopping. I can't medical catch him say. Abruchi, of course, don't get me wrong, the BMW and the M8 competition powerhouse, the most quickest BMW ever made on planet F. BMW, the blue BMW, black interior, isn't that incredible? Chilia. Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, me pressure be enemy so teach me na koye wajuma. Revenue be our juma na. ojina me on him said, I don't need to worry about anything. I'm a Muay Thai on here. Oh, this the king himself is life. Man, I may be destroy your, may be fire your mama giddy pa. Say, Sammy Jemfi, as you say, Sika come across for or see nothing wrong with that. Where Jimmy Chen would drive credit in Yansa channel. Your mama or Chen would drive credit in Yansa channel. Oh, yeah, man, Panini. With the code of conduct aba say obi tam Ghana sika de koma kronfo a was here suspended no now we back we the same job we want me suspended no mo say chief justice yehu no physical yehu say o wie sika yehu tam chief justice wie sika and ye wo Jimmy was suspended no your mama want me president bi o Ghana me do nyame me na me ka kire wo me do nyame hwe what Jimmy do now was say we are poor now was say we suspend no na make a choice boys in the year man ya me shaboni every na money nti say o badi boni a am na year man ya me shaboni every na money boys in the year fixing road no forever ya me shaboni the system is working 24. Your mama is or you most stupid except o back we are there now o say if you am timino and am a teacher near me school classroom wa be wi ade bia me punish wo na classroom oba obi na oba ko wi ade o so nothing wrong with it but obi ba ko wi ade dey was my punish no we are boa we yes obi you are not a leader enti your mama e kwase a che nipa bia me hu nipa wa Jimmy Sada enti saa no NDC umo be branch na manya power papa ti dia me cho no no be bre fucking because me anam koto me nam ka so muntu aba ne mamu e ka mumu kampe we enko ba bia e me anam so muntu aba ne mamu na me nim se John Mama Jimmy sei obi adi bone wo se odi scan ko we bia jabi ahye wo ba bi e no odi jana ko support kromu ofo it makes sense e bia me fan say accident bi esi nsuo bi abefa nkofo mu fie ama mu fie nyina bubu e no odi scan ko e no ko chema krofo a it makes sense ti dia me cho no boys no mo but what tam sika no e de macronfo feel comfortable mo nyina mu guga na mo nim say Sammy Jemfi iye nyanto aba ma no 1 million okra wantimi ameche bi da ti dia me cho wo camera obi ani obetimi akoyi video a Sammy Jemfi che 2 million okra wo camera mda Sammy Jemfi ento aba ma no Toyota Land Cruiser akra no oni bi ode no na mo di Jimmy atwetwe scammer nkofo so mo meka se na Sammy Jemfi wo pap every 1 minute be abamba sinem or pap or I want pap kwasi na omo wo kura no omo hotels akese kura wan be $10,000 ya koche from 4 omo kura mo nyesa what I say now wo aban sika aban nipa a wo no wanya good border minim se mu besua nyansa mo ni good border ba enu nti mu besua nyansa te say okay na mampanyini na obi o Ghana ho bia no you did not to pay rules good in the sika yenya no obi e beje $1,000 a month and obi e beje $500 a month and no it's very nyansa vision leader sa na we ba se kronfo na ono deserve say ye to please you know na mo feel comfortable say sika the manner na mo say you don't see nothing wrong with that it means that is what you have been doing na camera na ento mo sunti you see it to be normal. Your mama Jimmy. It means you see this as normal. Yanya mampanyini sa mampanyini peso bibua o back with the bonia. No why they want not to punishment him. Now make catch us every 1 minute to be able a gas in any number of Yamisha Bruni maybe join the highway. I mean I'm far from them say police for a book now. I am my ticket. I mean join the highway no. And how can Ghanaians trust you? How can they trust you? Your mom we Jimmy pa uni twase ko se anadu boja we yakwasia Jimmy ka suspend yakwa no kra be 1 year bi na for obi hu se we leader we good leader say next time no obi ade yesika no koma kronfo a ono so beje suspension. Your mama we yakwasia mpanyin pa obadi bone I was so suspending fast. I'm a catcher as a car can be a shiny uncle every name now in a Michelle Bruni. The system is working 24/7. The pavement charge Montica be your baby and shiny uncle. Isn't this incredible? Tell me if it is not. Now, of course, me chile or me BMW, no. Self-driving, luxury, pure luxury, me blue BMW. So who you know, blue, everything blue. Isn't this incredible? What do you say? I'm enjoying being rich. I'm enjoying being rich. Okay, your mama, who the chance the course boja, and also the code of conduct aba, obi di bonia, I was so coffee. Night Sammy Jemfi, as I say, Sika de Akoma Cron 4. Sammy Jemfi de Sika Akoma Cron 4 was you. Bonibia, a woman says Sammy Jemfi Bessie say Sika Akoma Cron 4. Wuni, the Chaba said the course and a Jubuja. We are Quasia. We are Quasia. And you know Jimmy now name leadership. Ya. Can was not me suspending A+. At least. When I suspending Sammy Jemfi at least. At least 1 year. Now, first set example, more be able to say we a good leader. But I say, I no kwasi ya Sammy Jemfi and Wunyan say, Yatu Abama on ya Mabayaba. Now, when the Cron 4 cry, it means feel comfortable, Macron 4 than in Sabesha or Kerma. And not right there, no. It will affect your government because Cron 4 there, Mampenny, I said, the NSA what you Cron 4. I know the Cron 4 and F than 4. Adi baby ameko mayera wo mame nyina ne sei na me mfa nhye map no na me koto ade enti jo mama ye kwase yampanyini pa me hu leader wa Jimmy say da ontimi nyama mpanyini bi o Ghana se me ana ma Ghana fo koto abama no eti na me nim so ye kwase ya sei nka man ni ne wa dan se koto abama no so enti oba adibone was me nothing wrong with nice me bad too much. Also oh for Jimmy Comasa ka me be so oba ben hina ko light here red now oba ben pepe
turn left onto Linden Place.
Eti your mama e kwasi yampanyini pa na me catch yourself of course Mami lower my you know na me hu nipa wa Jimmy Sada so Asami Jemfi nam Ghana wantimi anche 2 million krada
turn right onto 130th Street.
I'm in lower volume no me Sami Jemfi obeye oba oti Ghana o before see ento aba 1 million kra wantimi ankoche bida na enno ya po abama no na wasise sika akoto Range Rover SV Oro biography na Range Rover na wato no wasisa dollars yagum na dollars na wasisa yagum no o chema akronfo na mampanyini say this is normal. I just said that is what they are doing, that is what their government is doing enti ye normal ti dia mecho no enti mu the gold board aba na se mu the obi to gold board na no na gold ni sika no wantimi an supply ankwankoma enyanka wantimi an supply ankwankoma boys e omu ni djuma bia di omu ne nam ha omu pia truck omu twihwi baro omu bre wantimi an supply ma NDC Goro boys ya omu ye campaign mam na kronfo a doing campaign time krano o koji ba omi sika ese jo mama ko insani na mama ye ni na grada ne mama hu se jo mama bro o si jo mama bro sa aboa jo mama ko insani mo obi anto abama no ena metwini Jonas me say wo de anya hwe MPP fu agini ye nto abama mo na mo mmra na mo mekoreti Jimmy no ti de mecho no enti mo aba no nka kronfo na ono no ye campaign ti amono kura no oni kwa se mo man chance man ben mo mpo da bi magimi Steven yeah, man, sorry, subscriber. Say, your mama need to fix them, so we are tired of him already. Yes, I mean, Taylor, see you, Nina, and or to us, you see me, and Nina, mouth talk, Nina, and Jack. Oh, Munina, be Ghana, ni be any bit my see me, call to be anyone bit my friend. Oh, friend, I mean, quite a foolish case. Tiria Mechono, quite Kevin Taylor, no fee on Quasia. Kevin Taylor, Quasian Penny, and Muffin, Quasiasa. All rob banku kuomo Jimmy sa no no betima si omi eni nyina ya num dwa masa memo obia na ada wade ase obia ni Ghana o betimi asi omi aha no kre platform omo chesika ma bloggers omo defend this ankwase ade aye plus ko ye no me man kwankwaje obia sika intimate ya me kan okre say the John Mahama ye no wa Jimmy chain ni pa bia oba di boni a e wo so suspend no na fi set example ama omo won chen nyina obi ahu say next time untime nkoye dan obi say Sammy Gyamfi is insulting you today on TV3 for nyina age bribe nyina age bribe of NDC wo enti yes kana John Mahama mfa me adwuma no bribe no de atwetwa ama media for nyina say Jimmy a obi and defend him enti ye bribe no mage ena omotewa mo ye na we no enye you enye news 4 years e wa no ha ya eduru ha NDC be kofie mami atoati omo because ye nto aba mamo na mo nsise esika ma kronfo e nkwase asem enye adwuma na nkoye adwuma kina ye nto aba mamo ne emedasu mu ne ye disika na ma agrada abrese esika ne betimi provide energy amanipa light ye gina so da bi sa nkwase asem na enye adwuma nti abato ne duru a ene ye be kire se me kwase ana se me nyansani na me atoati omo me kano kra kire mo na me atoati omo NDC ato force nko ani nim nyansa John Mahama de kwase a che nipa bia me hu nipa wa Jimmy sada obi asesa yesika e de ma agrada o simintime suspend no eye normal but Chief Justice mosi oni Akufo-Addo awie sika na obi anyina ho we camera o sima suspend no John Mahama uni twasere uni ni twaba asere ko se anadwo boja wo ya boa ko Jimmy wasia bi batseo kafa Jimmy suspend ni Sammy Gyamfi na Jimmy no na wo yesa obi ani obeto ase waban no fa kwasia suspend ni Jimmy no Jimmy dodo for Felix Fozuku ati uni twasere fa ko adwendwem say MPP na te so na MPP ni bia load dollars agu kam na o che magrada nka wodo kwase aba betra say John Mahama bua na soma say beka say you don't see nothing wrong with this say Jimmy sem we are Sammy Gyamfi koye no ko Jimmy ma Jimmy say no nti bu wi a ye behwe vote ambenya the next 4 years ye behwe enna ai mujimi nso a mo school feeding program obi ono nye campaign maamo onye campaign maamo na mo ne ko adujoma Vivian Jela o act movie minim so de ne twa akoma John Mahama wo mo sesen yo ana adujoma ntafo ne so mbetwa ne selfie o mbetwa Vivian Jela we Jimmy si ya o omo maboa mo na amamanya post no omumum na ese mo boa o mo te say Sammy Gyamfi this guy call ye no they call NDC camp boys egu ha omo ton fan yogurt omo ton fan milk no this guy na mo fan share madwuma mu kena na mu nyeren mu madwuma nkoso next time no NDC ni betimi akunu ho ye campaign amount emfa nkoma kronfo a ono ye campaign tia won eti say adudwoma de omo ye NDC fo no buafo no NDC fo no gu omo na ho afiafi ntafo no gu adudwoma ha o omaboa wo John Mahama tani kwasia wo ye tani ti so omo a wo se mede contract akoma Vivian J wo yes Vivian J wo twa movie anya sika wie enya ono ohia contract fama ntafo omo a na omo ye campaign ma una omo di wachi a Ameriafo na omo ne Vivian J kokko ntokwa no eye simple as ABC ubi se obi kura se onim se Vivian J be ye campaign ma John Mahama obi ani ho a obehu se Vivian J no gina baabi ye campaign eye man ka fra ne kura na ade koma one ne yire ne ma nka megidi sentafo ne nkopa Vivian J enkotwa ne nsa sometimes no mo ana mo ye man tafo din sai wo ye tani wa baboa ukrom tafo no saa sika ayi kwa Sammy Gyamfi aboa ide koye meanwhile John Mahama busuanfo ntafo yi efri ayi omukrom aba begu bridge asio ntontomo wi omo so akaya yo. They are the ones who need help. Enye kwasi abati sa agrada wenye sika wadupu nipa enye sika ewie no. Ohia mwa, ohia taxpayers money. Ohia se yedi yesika nbese ko pi kronfo no so. Enti John Mahama kwasi ampanyin. How suspend yakra no na je chimi no na wo ya boa. If you are a leader you can't take action. Akufo-Addo sisi yada pa sika no egu ono instantly ni suspend sisi yada pa. Yedi amecho no Akufo-Addo kura na esi ye wa Jimmy san wo onimnyansa chen wo John Mahama bam wo ye kwase a chen nipa bia. What you say? The same position na ekura Akufo-Addo the suspend sisi adapa. E me yede ne court Sami Jamfu fanning court bia. A man improve says scanning and the Anna Yenedia. Sami Jamfinam Ghana Hono. Me, Nimuno. One more on it. Messiano TV station be me go Ghana TV one human name. Time I mean nam na Toyota Camry crony be of dropping an eba. Time I end this position I'm Ghana. No more dropping an eba radius. And what you SV oral biography range over $400,000 within just 4 months. Onya sika we. Ah, we is a Juma na head the man on cro year Juma, say Juma 20 years cra. On to me sika nto SV oral biography. Onya sika e taxpayers money no asisa. And what the akoto range over and wasisa tax payers money na buka no. And na oche. Nti we am panyina onya boa woni minyansa ka suspend ni pa no na fe no enye peaceful was we Jimmy. Ujo mama we kwasia. We are boa. Obviously we need business idea. The insult is okay. Mami ni on na time no Jimmy no do. Business idea bi ade beba Ghana obi anya adwuma because Ghana mpani for no mwa business. Omo selfish reason kwa. Agrada anya selfish. I would scare komana heading. Kromfo ba would scare komana heading. A selfish reason kwa. Obi say is your in-law the way I was here Jimmy me nyan kwanyem ne ba no masa me po before for banyem no. What you say nyansa bi ani. Wa jo mama oni nyansa masa. Cause we a leader. People look up to you. Auntie say ono okura no say the code of conduct about. Code of conduct ni che say obi di boni a. Ehona boni na nipa na di no. Say ya de ne ma OSP. Wa woni ameche no. Nye dan ye suspending nipa no code of conduct na di aba no. Nti sa code of conduct na say wo de bre MPP for nko ana say wo de bre nko fofofro but o pet ni di boni a enka ho ana. Nti so wa Jimmy say a obeda nya vote bi o. Oh, TV anje fa wo Jimmy ko pe ba bi tira obi anim say wo nya ndisi ni ma ndisi fo no nkwaji post no na MPP fo na amo no ye school feeding dada no munya amo na omoduane ne omo no omo to ye ni nyina ansanwie esanwie a ansa na mo nso ma start abaye mo de mu school feeding de munya MPP fo no na omo ton mo de no nti so omo ton na omo ni ane ni nyina ansanwie like me man say omo de feeding kura ni nyina wie na esan na afi maba kiki in nyasa enye Ghana ni MPP ni Ghana ni ni kwase mu dina bro ni nuane ni nyina mokopam na ebe ne ka obi dodo na kofri obi say Steven Nyanza say Agrada doesn't deserve $10,000. Agrada deserve to be in prison. Ejo mama e kwase aninti ena we mu omuhu ni say normal eye nkwase asem say Kronfo matam yesika de ma Kronfo na normal dia na say we can never trust you na say mu nyina mo ya Kronfo. That is what you have been doing. Ti dia make sure no say wakoto wakosi sesika taxpayers money dia ma Kronfo. Na if you think say Kronfo na medi sika na mano no this is normal dia na say mono we can never trust you. You are all thieves. NDC fo nyina ya Kronfo. So what you say, NDC for you na Kronfo until we don't need them. Until me the ombeko fee, me the ombeko position. Because eba na your mama ni onimnyansa we are simple as ABC, simple solution. O suspend it we ni pano. Na fe no why then why nhwehwe mu kwan of us nya sika no e de koche because Ghana ni bia ni wa obetimi ayi physical $10,000 di ache obi da impossible. Ghana ni chesika ya hwehweta wale mu 55 cedis 10 cedis eno no mutimi che so bi $10,000 di ache no simple sa na da ne kam na o de che no eye impossible despite mo kra no o mu ntimi nya ne sa o mu be ya agise bia company bi asemasi no ma be donation wo hu ba se onama sika group ka buta wo yi che no na mampanyini say o say every day the dollar is reducing. Talk about it. And no. Ya Madika praise at force in say or ye juma. At force in ye or ye juma or ye the best. Or no ni majuma chain MPP for ni na Keno Furata ni woman ni majuma chain. But your mama na Jimmy Kese. She say ai bokofo amwe kumnipa omaku police ni 2 months what a foolish case because you don't see nothing wrong with it. Untimenche criminal no. Stephen Yamens don't say Agrada is chilling with with her husband with our $10,000. Yes, and into no friend man be trying to say $800 no, but Jimmy say who say camera require that you know. Enti obia o Ghana obia na dwen ye adwuma bia nim say bondo ba ku bia $10,000. Me dollars ho adwuma na me we sika senkran because me no mama bruchira me ma asem me ba bruchiri be ye ebe peska enti ti say kwase ampanyi no ha yo onye sika odi ni nyina sende mamma no wa han dan amafra na utua ho ka etua $2,000 a month ni ade me nya san kwase adwuma ni me nya sika me de investment me de savings I no boa na matam the investment is cash flow eba non stop it mean every day me press canty I know money and I know dollars say $800 no untimi mfo entimi nko bondo mu $800 no dollar mako $1 mako 8 pe enti kura wa ti said ye ukura sika pieces mako 8 no enti ano no ye fodu ni sei enye bondo a ehye bondo mu ye fodu eti said ye wayi wan cedi mako 8 no untimi mfa nhye bondo mu ba sika ehye bondo mu no $10,000 so when you make channel and the propaganda no my then one fra Agrada chale be boy be bo defense na then kasi $800 $10,000 no mo akoche enti se government appointee ya appointee na no ya wo no ye campaign wo fu flat na 4 months wo fu ayet said ye wonyem tafo 9 na ntafo 9 no da chabi jamfino ntu akotena TV3 hodi matema TV3 for na anya sika amudi amoma ko munim se jimi sem na mu jimi no obia nyansa da ntim bia nim se wo ye mampanyini na enipa mebre na tam sika ne kwache kronfo a wo ya boa what as a government appointee obia nim se wo tam taxpayers money de koma kronfo a wo ya boa ati se de omo ye wadudwo man say joma amayere lodina ne kwasia wo no lodina no ntafo na omu no eye mukromfo na maboa mo amugu adudwoma wa Asante region wono na mama Vivienne ne mowere ne nsamowere a otikuma ase a oye ne movie on we so aye ne movie no ono beji school feeding program Joma district ho nyina aye na ntafo no omu fo mtim koboduam tamme na mu say Vivienne oye campaign ye ntafo ya na da bi on bekoma mo Entimaba, mamu mfesika ni nkoma wrong people. Mumuwa omu na kufu adu tinasu so many years amuwa tenibia. Nti this is opportunity amuko kwa aso. Nti nkama bano ese mubuwa omu na mja jimi shishani mu adiyo. Nti Vivienne dia no famamu. Anya ne chenkwa na mbefa ko woma adie bio. Entafu omu so watwa odi mumfa omu dem no mu uhurum. Emu be kama na ma wom na mu de adwuma na mo. Eyese se da bia no na Ghana ni no na Ghanaian bre Vivienne onu ka odem onu woye movie anya sika wie enti mumfa ma de onu woni bibi die a wai jana daje di machia na ntafoi na Asantefo di omatem bon o Asantefo MPP ti no mu di omatem na fe no maba power na ye be treat ntafoi bad enye fine until Lodina yes only as you dun kati amuna mo shachiri na mo appoint wrong people e dey position mo ma omun kasa ma NDC da omun kasa me twini Jonas ko amena mkasa Ghana for nto abama na minim se magimi sei se mo ba mo be forget Ghana for no na mo disika na ko man kwase afo manya sika ni bi dada unim se VVJ tu yo onye hiani oye sikani enti mfa adwuma ne nkohye sikani ne nsa ono kro nya daje masku mu ho emenu aduane mamo ono premain gelo premain ni onya daje mfiri kumase ana nkran ho metna ono ko set so kutwa ni movie enti momfa adwuma ne ma NDC fo no mugukuro mu ona omo ne baabi akono mugu adwuma ho no momfa mamu na omo nya adwuma no eno na ebe mandaache NDC ni agina baabi abodwoma madimpa dan say wo bae unya post ni jimi nko a mu diskane komo omo no enyo omo na ebu amamunya aba mo de mo mu skani bi dada mo de mo yesa emwa so Tisami Jamfino the mistake or and say senka anya se ode koma akronfo ena ode koma odi sika ne koma obi a woye ni friendin ti se abaya ya ai obi di tu abona ni wo school mi ne maame mo sire sika ena odi sika ne koma na ho no ko bi aba beda na se won ade no nya se wo che sika na wrong but the person na odi sika ne ma no aye nkwasi asem se wo di sika be kwa koma akronfo a woye ye awie ni pasika sa akronfo no se mijamfin na ese nkochi ne kohye prison na oji sika na wawia no ede magana fo no wantimi wa fairly that job no as a government na watam government taxpayers money no ede koche abra munim se sa mijamfi adwuma a oye position ede amani oye adwuma 100 years krana even oje akatua 10 years kra onya $10,000 say na yedi tuaneka adi say bi adwoma ma yekronfo enti oma omunyina $100,000 a month they are fine but Ghana minister kuraje 10,000 Ghana cedis minister president kura enyi nduru 1 billion what you say na $10,000 na ebru 1 billion na watam dia ma grada enti unya sika no wen unya sika no we mo metwa ntro say wa bie pap kwase ya pap no uton nsa omo ndo pap wo kumasi wo nyina me Ghana na matena for so many years ensa no mu ko free omo ton wia no makotuaka omo pap ni nyina ompo meka no kwese meboa omo free nsa no omo ton wie no powerhouse no esu no empower no omo ton wie no na omo akwa ere omo akwa kutuaka. Wow, Trump is coming for me for Jimmy so na anya Jimmy say tini ekofa adwoma ma ne bai yekofa ne ba say de ekofo ado ye anye no omra no meye ni ye yankofa na ama say Ghana for meda sumu no nsisa esika ne macron for we didn't bring him for that into where kwashia we Jimmy too much NDC fo nyina mu ni twa asere say mu defend Jimmy say mo obviously nobody listen to you again when Jimmy me superstar o me video ya o ya kobo share TikTok na platform do egu so and now we are Google and now say Sambra bio na Sambra be views egu as Jimmy Toyomo me ya popular chain NDC ni blogger bia obi anim na nsi am dey dwoma ma top you ne won hihye no da o na me gira ne so forever and na me no me pay views nya hwe o me skani me mfa wi ase nko ba bia me twi M division empower na me twi
Chirawa John from my comment section. So much you can name here. I know worship pa. I know air shipa. I high penya block media.